Hi, it's Saturday, the 31st of August 2019. I'm Andy, the trend follower, and welcome to this week's review of the different asset classes. I don't know which asset class is going to do best, so I follow all of them. Shares, property, gold, commodities, cryptocurrency, and bonds. Okay, so here we go. Let's look at shares or stocks first of all and see how they're doing. And I use particular funds to get exposure to shares, and this week the fund rose in price a little bit, much to my surprise, because things have been falling in recent weeks. The price closed up above the green line, so I'm staying invested in this fund. Let's look at property next. Okay, and again, this fund, which gives me exposure to property, rose this week. It had risen the week before. Surprisingly, I'm staying invested in this property fund as well. Let's look at gold next. Gold priced in pounds rose again this week. It has been doing amazingly well. It had a couple of quiet weeks, and then this week it's risen a bit further. It's well up above the green line, so I'm staying invested in gold. Commodities are next, and there was a very small increase in the price of this fund, but it's still below the green line, so I'm staying in cash. Cryptocurrency is next, and there was quite a drop in the price of the crypto that I follow. This week you can see where it's come down here, but it's still well above the green line. It's still well above where I bought it back in the springtime, so I'm staying invested in this particular cryptocurrency. Bonds I don't trade in and out of. I just remain invested in 3 differently denominated bond ETFs, one in British pounds, one in euros, and one in US dollars. It hedges my bets a little bit. So here are the traffic light signals for each of the asset classes this week. Shares are on a green, property it's a green, gold is a green, commodities is the only asset class which is on a red, so I'm in cash in this asset class. Cryptocurrency is a green still. Bonds for me with my system are always on a green. So what do I have to do this week? Well, nothing at all, which is just how I like it. Now, if you want to get a weekly update of what I'm doing, make sure you're on my email list and you'll get an email from me. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just about what I'm doing. I'm not recommending that you do it, and I'm not making any claims about how well this strategy might perform for me or indeed anybody else in the future. And if you copy me, you might end up living in a cardboard box. Regard this video as entertainment. Okay, hope you have a great week. I'll do another video for you next week. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.